Does the journey to weight loss seem like a steep hill to climb? What if there was a solution that made the journey easier? Welcome to the world of Puravive, the exotic rice method that claims to liquefy fat cells, making weight loss an achievable goal. When it comes to weight loss programs, there's a plethora of options available. Some require you to follow strict diet plans. Others demand intense workout regimes. And then there are those that recommend meal supplements. But what sets Puravive apart from these conventional methods? Let's delve into that. Unlike many other programs, Puravive is not just about cutting down your food intake or sweating it out at the gym. It's a holistic approach that focuses on the root cause of weight gain, fat cells. By targeting these cells, Puravive claims to liquefy them, thereby aiding in effective weight loss. What's more, Puravive is made from natural plant ingredients and is non-GMO, ensuring you're not filling your body with harmful chemicals. It's as easy as taking one capsule with water every day. No complicated instructions, no drastic lifestyle changes. Just a simple addition to your daily routine. Now you might be thinking, what's the catch? Is there a hidden subscription or recurring charges? Well, with Puravive, what you see is what you get. The order is a one-time payment with no auto-ship or hidden charges. It even offers a generous 180-day money-back guarantee, giving you enough time to try the product and see the results for yourself. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from the people who have experienced the change themselves. Testimonials from customers who have used Puravive talk about significant weight loss and improved energy levels. These are real people who have embarked on their weight loss journey with Puravive and have seen tangible results. So, to sum it all up, Puravive is a unique approach to weight loss that targets the root cause, fat cells. It's easy to use, made from natural plant ingredients, and comes with no hidden charges or subscriptions. Plus, with a money-back guarantee and positive customer testimonials, it certainly seems like a promising solution for those seeking to lose weight. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Could Puravive be that first step for you? It's definitely worth considering. After all, the path to a healthier you could be just a capsule away.